Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss one of the most sought-after career paths in tips for passive income. Passive income is earnings that require little to no effort to maintain, allowing you to generate money without actively working for it. Here are some popular tips for creating passive income streams. 1. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Many established companies pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. 2. Real estate investment trusts. REITs allow individuals to invest in real estate without directly managing properties. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper enable you to lend money to individuals or small businesses, earning interest on your investment. 4. Renting out a spare room or property on Airbnb. If you have an extra room in your home or a vacation property, consider renting it out on Airbnb. 5. Creating and selling an online course or ebook. Share your expertise and create a digital product that can be sold and distributed online. 6. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission on sales made through your unique referral link. 7. Royalties from creative work. If you're an artist, author, or inventor, you can earn passive income from royalties on your work. 8. Index funds or ETFs. Invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds through index funds or ETFs, which require minimal effort to maintain. 9. Creating a mobile app or game. Develop a popular app or game that generates revenue through in-app purchases or advertising. 10. Investing in a real estate crowdfunding platform. Platforms like Fundrise or Rich Uncles allow you to invest in real estate development projects or existing properties. 11. Stock photography. Sell your photos on stock image websites like Shutterstock or iStock. 12. Dropshipping. Partner with a supplier to sell their products without holding any inventory, using platforms like Shopify or Oberlo. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.